Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will be discussing a very interesting topic on distributor. The distributor is a vital mechanical component found in older gasoline-powered internal combustion engines that use a conventional ignition system, CIS. Its primary job is to correctly route the high-voltage electricity generated by the single ignition coil to the correct spark plug at the precise moment it needs to fire. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. So let's begin. Definition and function. A distributor is an electromechanical device driven by the engine's camshaft that serves as a rotating high-voltage switch. It synchronizes the ignition process by ensuring that the electrical energy from the ignition coil is delivered to the correct cylinder spark plug at the exact moment of ignition timing. The distributor performs three main functions: distribution, timing, mechanical drive. How it works. The distributor operates in conjunction with the single ignition coil, receiving high voltage. The central terminal of the distributor cap receives the 20,000 to 50,000 volt pulse from the ignition coil via the main coil wire. The rotor spins. Inside the distributor cap, a component called the rotor is constantly spinning, driven by a shaft connected to the engine's camshaft. The rotor is the only moving part inside the cap. High voltage jump. As the rotor spins, its tip passes extremely close to one of the cap terminals. This terminal is connected to a specific cylinder spark plug wire. The high voltage then jumps the tiny air gap between the rotor tip and the terminal. Spark timing mechanisms. The distributor is also responsible for advancing the spark timing based on engine conditions. Centrifugal advance uses weights and springs inside the distributor. As engine RPM increases, centrifugal force pushes the weights outward, mechanically rotating the ignition sensor, or points, slightly to advance the timing, making the spark occur slightly before the piston reaches TDC for optimal combustion.
Vacuum advance uses a vacuum canister connected to the intake manifold. When the engine is under light load, high vacuum, the vacuum pulls a diaphragm, which also rotates the internal mechanism to advance the timing, improving fuel economy. Application and types. The distributor is used exclusively in conventional ignition systems and early electronic ignition systems found in older gasoline-powered cars and trucks, generally pre-1990s, classic vehicles and muscle cars, and some older small engines like marine engines and industrial generators. The distributor has been completely replaced in modern vehicles by distributorless ignition systems and coil unplug systems, which use the engine control unit and electronic sensors for precise timing and distribution. Types of distributor systems. Distributors are usually categorized by how they signal the coil to fire. Breaker point or contact point distributor. Type: mechanical. Mechanism: uses physical contact points that open and close to interrupt the primary circuit of the coil, causing the magnetic field to collapse and generate the high voltage spark. These points wear out and require periodic adjustment. Electronic or magnetic pulse distributor. Type: electronic or magnetic. Mechanism: replaces the mechanical points with a magnetic pickup sensor, often called a reluctor wheel and pickup coil. As the reluctor wheel spins past the sensor, it generates a precise electrical pulse that the ignition control module uses to trigger the coil to fire. This system is far more reliable and requires less maintenance than the breaker point system. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Your support will help keep the content coming. Stay safe and see you in the next one.